Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn about how to fix Spotify Wrap 2023 not showing on Android or iOS. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So onto this tutorial, we're gonna learn onto how to fix Spotify Wrap 2023, and this work on both the Android or iOS devices. So for you to be able to get started, the first step for that one is you'll just need to head onto the App Store or Play Store of your device. So you might try to want to check into the Spotify if there is an update button. So you might want to update the app, since sometimes if the app is not updated, there are some issues within that one. So if it is actually just showing or no updates needed in there, just open, you'll just have to click onto open for that to open this. So if you're still not yet seeing it, you might want to check onto the notification, since sometimes it might show in here the Spotify Wrap. So if it is not showing onto the notification, the last step that you could do is head onto your local browser of your device, try to search in there spotify.com/wrap, and you should be able to see the list of your Spotify Wrap for 2023. And if you think that has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto your next video.